Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is subtraction of vectors. We have completed that the addition of vector. Next one is the subtraction of vectors. What is the subtraction of vectors? For suppose if we take, see here, uh, this is vector A, this is vector B. So these two vectors are lying in a plane. These two vectors are in different directions. This vector A is in this direction, this vector B is in this direction. Suppose if we want to subtract vector B from vector A. So previously, suppose these vectors are A and B like this. How can we add this? This is vector A. Suppose if we want to add these two, A plus B, how can we add? The tail of the B placed on the head of the A. This is vector B, this is vector A. We placed the tail of the vector B on head of the vector A. So if we connect these two, so this line gives a resultant vector, that is A plus B. So now here we are discussing about subtraction of vectors. How can we subtract? Suppose this is vector A is in this direction. Suppose this is vector B is in this direction. These two are in different directions. So this is vector B. If we take another line which is equal to B, this is minus B. So why it is minus B? Here the direction is reverse to this. The direction of this vector is reverse to initial vector. So the direction is reverse here. So this is plus B, this is minus B. Now I am taking A minus B here. How can we subtract vector B from vector A? So observe carefully. This is vector A. This is vector B, this vector. So if you draw a line opposite to this one, what is this? This is minus B. If we connect this to this initial point, is the final point. If we connect these 2 points, we get A plus into minus B. A plus into minus B. So A plus into minus B, what is this? Plus into minus, minus A minus B. The subtraction of B from A is nothing but minus B added with vector A. సో అంటే మనం ఏంటి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ బీని ఇక్కడ ఏంటి మైనస్ బీని ఏకి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో మైనస్ బీని ఏకి యాడ్ చేయడం అంటే ఏంటి? సపోజ్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్ వెక్టర్స్, మనకి ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటే ప్లస్ బి, దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లో తీసుకుంటే మైనస్ బి. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, this is vector A, this is vector B. So this is, if you want to if we add these 2 points, we get here A plus B. But this vector is minus B. If we connect these two, it will gives A plus into minus B. So ఇక్కడ మైనస్ బీని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ బీని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. A plus B equal to A plus into minus B equal to A minus B. So this is the subtraction of vectors. So observe here, let's consider 2 vectors A and B. The subtraction of B from A is nothing but addition of minus B with A. These two are vectors. This is vector A, this is vector B. These two are in different directions in a plane. Now I am joining these two. This is vector A, this is vector B. So suppose if we draw a line opposite to this one, it is minus B. Suppose if it is B, if we draw a line opposite to this one, it becomes minus B. If we add these two, this line gives resultant of these two vectors, that is A plus into minus B, that is A minus B. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ బీని దీనికి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంతే. సో మైనస్ బీని ఏకి యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేది ఏంటి? ఏ మైనస్ బీనే వస్తుంది. The two vectors A and B represented by, so what is OP? I am taking here, this is O, this is P, OP, this is OP vector A and PQ vector B. Let us place minus B ని ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాము such that its tail, so its tail means మైనస్ బి యొక్క టైల్ అనేది ప్లేస్డ్ ఆన్ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ మీద ప్లేస్డ్ చేస్తున్నాము అండ్ జాయిన్ హెడ్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ బి అండ్ టైల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ. ఇట్ విల్ గివ్స్ a plus into minus b, that is a minus b. The resultant r is equal to a minus b represented by OS. What is OS? This is OS. OS represents the resultant of these two, that is a minus b. So this is a subtraction of two vectors. Okay.